Welcome to today's update. In this video, we're going to be looking at the entire ETH price chart, which is Ethereum price chart, and also three possible conditions that we need to see on the price chart in order for we to have an altcoin season. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Taking a look at ETH here on the weekly time frame, as you can see, we are having a pretty bounce from this major level of support here. This level of support here has been a major pivot that has been keeping ETH in a bullish trend line right here, and a break below the trend line, this is going to put ETH into much more lower prices. So the first condition here on the price chart is that ETH needs to hold firmly above this level of trend line here, which is the $1,900 level, in order for we to see an altcoin season. So right now the first condition is being met because already we are above this trend line here. A break below the trend line is going to invalidate this bullish structure, which is also going to push the entire altcoin market into much more lower prices. So right now on the price chart, we are already working with the first condition, and also the second condition here is looking at the price chart of ETH against BTC, because if you take a look at it back in 2017, we saw price of ETH against BTC consolidated inside a descending channel, and immediately we got a breakout right here. This was when we saw a major rally of altcoin back in 2021. And right now, if you take a look at the price since 2021 peak, we have been seeing the price also consolidating inside a major descending channel. So what I'm waiting for right now, which is the second condition here for we to see an altcoin season, is a break above this descending channel right here, a break above the resistance of this descending channel. Immediately we see a break above here. This is going to be an indication of an altcoin season, just like what we saw back in 2021. But if we fail to break above it, this is going to suppress the altcoin season that we are definitely going to get. We might be seeing a little bit of rally from different altcoins, but it's not going to be just like what we saw back in 2021. So in order for we to see the altcoin season we saw back in 2021 and also here in 2017, we need the price right now to break above this major trend line. Then from there we can easily flip bullish on the price chart of ETH against BTC. So this is the second condition here, which is not yet met. So keep an eye on the price chart of ETH against BTC. Immediately you see the price breaking above this major trend line here, this is an indication of an altcoin season. And also looking at the third condition here, because I don't want this video to be too long, in the aspect of the total market cap, because as you can see, if you take a look at the previous altcoin season we had, the price of the market cap has always been above the 50 weekly moving average. If you take a look at it here in 2020, before we got the altcoin rally in 2021, we saw the price broke above the 50 weekly moving average, then stayed above the 50 weekly moving average, and this gave us the proper rally we saw back in 2021. And also if you take a look at the 2022 bear market, we saw the price breaking above the 50 weekly moving average, which gave us a prolonged bear market we had back in 2022. Now if you take a look at the current level we are right now, we are at this level, sitting at a major level of support of the $700 billion and also the $654 billion. And as long as we hold above this support right here, we are looking solid. But in order for us to confirm an altcoin season, we need this price right now to break above the 50 weekly moving average, which is currently sitting at 890 billion. If you take a look at the price here, here in October 2023, before we got the little altcoin season we had in 2025, if you take a look at it, we saw the price broke above the 50 weekly moving average, and this was when we saw Dogecoin, Solana, and a lot of top 10 altcoins having a proper rally to much more higher prices. So right now we are not yet in an altcoin season yet, unless we see the price breaking above the 50 weekly moving average. So these are the three conditions needed for we to see an altcoin season. The price breaking above the 50 weekly moving averages on the market cap, and also ETH against BTC breaking above this major trend line here, in order for we to see ETH outperforming BTC, and as well ETH on the weekly time frame to hold firmly above this level of support here, sitting at the $1,900 level, because a break below here, like what I said, we are definitely going to see ETH texting much more lower prices, and this is going to push a lot of altcoins to much more lower price. So this is it for today's video, and if you have a question, you can drop it on the comment section. I will definitely take a look at it and give you a reply. And if you like this video and you want to continue to watch this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make an update just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.